Hello friends, welcome to GK Big Bang channel. Today we are going to discuss important questions from the chapter Mauryan and Post-Mauryan period, including the top 30 previous years questions. Let's begin. First question, which among the following is the India's oldest dynasty? Option A, Gupta. Option B, Maurya. Option C, Vardhana. Option D, Kushana. Correct answer is option B, Maurya. The Maurya dynasty is considered the oldest major dynasty in India, established by Chandragupta Maurya around 322 BCE. It spanned a large portion of the Indian subcontinent. Other options like Gupta, Kushan, and Vardhana came later. Next question. Chandragupta Maurya figures prominently in the book of option A, Bhasa, option B, Shudraka, option C, Vishakadatta, option D, Ashwagosha. Correct answer is option C, Vishakadatta. Chandragupta Maurya figures prominently in the book Mudra Rakshasa by Vishakadatta. Next question. Who among the following Mauryan rulers did conquer the Deccan? Option A, Ashoka. Option B, Chandragupta. Option C, Bindusara. Option D, Kunala. Correct answer is option B, Chandragupta. Chandragupta Maurya is credited with conquering the Deccan region, expanding the Mauryan Empire significantly. Next question. In which year Chandragupta Maurya had defeated Seleucus? Option A, 317 BC. Option B, 315 BC. Option C, 305 BC. Option D, 300 BC. Correct answer is option C, 305 BC. Chandragupta Maurya defeated Seleucus I Nicator, a general of Alexander the Great, according to most historical accounts. Next question. Who came to India during the time of Chandragupta Maurya? Option A, Faxian, Fahian. Option B, Xianzang, Hyeonsang. Option C, Megasthenes. Option D, Strabo. Correct answer is option C, Megasthenes. Megasthenes was an ancient Greek historian, diplomat, and Indian ethnographer and explorer in the Hellenistic period. Next question. Who was referred to as Sandracotus in the writings of the Greeks? Option A, Ashoka. Option B, Bindusara. Option C, Chandragupta Maurya. Option D, Dhanananda. Correct answer is option C, Chandragupta Maurya. In classical Greek sources, Chandragupta Maurya refers to Sandracotus. Chandragupta Maurya was the founder of the Mauryan dynasty at Pataliputra. With the help of Chanakya, he overthrew the Nanda dynasty. Next question. Which of the following Mauryan rulers is known as Amitragat? Option A, Chandragupta. Option B, Samudragupta. Option C, Ashoka. Option D, Bindusara. Correct answer is option D, Bindusara. Bindusara was the son of Chandragupta Maurya. He ruled from 297 BC to 273 BC. He was also known as Amitrochates by the Greek scholars, while the Mahabhashya refers to him as Amitragata. Next question. Dimachus came to India during the reign of option A, Chandragupta Maurya. Option B, Bindusara. Option C, Ashoka. Option D, Kanishka. Correct answer is option B, Bindusara. Dimachus came to India during the reign of Bindusara. Syrian king Antiochus I sent his ambassador Dimachus to the court of Bindusara. Next question. Which of the following has been mentioned as Piyadasi and Devanampiya in inscriptions? Option A, Chandragupta Maurya. Option B, Ashoka. Option C, Samudragupta. Option D, Harshavardhana. Correct answer is option B, Ashoka. The ruler Ashoka is mentioned in the form of Piyadasi and Devanampiya in inscriptions. Ashoka is known in the Puranas as Ashokavardhan. Next question. A Buddhist council during the reign of Ashoka was held at option A, Magadha. Option B, Pataliputra. Option C, Samastipur. Option D, Rajgriha. Correct answer is option B, Pataliputra. The Buddhist council held during the reign of Ashoka was at Pataliputra. Next question. Which one of the following inscriptions contain the name of Ashoka? Option A, Gujarra. Option B, Ahraura, option C Brahmagiri, option D Sarnath. Correct answer is option A Gujarra. The inscription that contains the name of Ashoka is Gujarra. While many of Ashoka's inscriptions use titles like Devanampya or Priyadarshi, only a few implicitly mentioned his personal name Ashoka. The Gujarra inscription is one of these where his full name is stated as Devanampya Priyadarshi Ashoka Raja. Next question. Turamaya, a contemporary of Ashoka, was the ruler of option A Egypt, option B Corinth, option C Macedonia, option D Syria. Correct answer is option A Egypt. Turamaya has been identified with the contemporary ruler of Egypt up to 247 BC. Next question. Which Buddhist text contains an account of the Mauryan Emperor Ashoka? Option A Vinaya Pitaka, option B Sutta Pitaka, option C Abhidhamma Pitaka, option D Mahavamsha. Correct answer is option D Mahavamsha. History of Buddhist Snaga, which is a part of Mahavamsa, contains text about Ashoka. Next question. Which Buddhist text contains an account of the Mauryan Emperor Ashoka? Option A Vinaya Pitaka, option B Sutta Pitaka, option C Abhidhamma Pitaka, option D Mahavamsha. Correct answer is option C Abhidhamma Pitaka. The Shahbaz Garhi inscription is known to be written in Kharosthi script, a language and writing system prevalent in the northwestern regions of India and present-day Pakistan during the Mauryan period. Next question. Which of the following inscriptions of Ashoka bans animal sacrifice on certain festive gathering that probably included a ban on animal killing as well? Option A Rock Edict 1, option B Pillar Edict 5, option C Rock Edict 9, option D Rock Edict 11. Correct answer is option A Rock Edict 1. Ashoka's Rock Edict 1 explicitly states the prohibition of animal sacrifice, particularly during festive gatherings, and likely also included a broader ban on animal killing, demonstrating his commitment to non-violence. Next question. In which of the following relief sculpture inscriptions is Ranyo Ashoka mentioned along with the stone portrait of Ashoka? Option A Kanganahalli, option B Sanchi, option C Shahbaz Garhi, option D Sogaura. Correct answer is option A Kanganahalli. The Kanganahalli inscription is unique because it features a stone portrait of Ashoka with the inscription of Ranyo Ashoka alongside it, making it the only known sculptural representation of Ashoka with his name mentioned. Next question. The accounts as by the of Kalinga were are known as option A Rock Edict 13, option B Rumindai Pillar Inscription, option C Accounts of Hyeonsang, option D Minor Rock Edict 1. Correct answer is option A Rock Edict 13. The edicts of Ashoka are a collection of more than 30 inscriptions on boulders, cave walls, and mainly on pillars that are dedicated to the life of Emperor Ashoka of the Mauryan Empire, who ruled from 268 BCE to 232 BCE. Ashoka used Damalipi to narrate his own edicts. Next question. The Gujarra Minor Rock Edict, in which of the name of Ashoka is mentioned, is located in option A Mirzapur district of Uttar Pradesh, option B Datia district of Madhya Pradesh, option C Jaipur district of Rajasthan, option D Champaran district of Bihar. Correct answer is option B Datia district of Madhya Pradesh. The Gujarra Minor Rock Edict, which mentions the name of Ashoka, is located in Datia district of Madhya Pradesh. Next question. Which one of the following officials was not a part of the Mauryan administration? Option A Agraharika, option B Yukta, option C Pradeshika, option D Rajuka. Correct answer is option A Agraharika. Agraharika refers to an official in charge of land grants dedicated to Brahmins, which become more prominent in later periods like the Gupta dynasty, not the Mauryan era. Next question. Which of the following Mauryan officers was in charge of weights and measures? Option A. Pautavadyaksha. Option B. Pandyadyaksha. Option C. Sitadyaksha. Option D. Sunadyaksha. Correct answer is option A. Pautavadyaksha. The Pautavadyaksha was the Mauryan official responsible for standardizing weights and measures. Next question. The official agronomy during Mauryan age was related with which of the following field? Option A. Weight and measure. Option B. Administrative management. Option C. Construction of roads. Option D. Revenue management. Correct answer is option D. Revenue management. The official agronomy during the Mauryan age was related to revenue management. Next question. Sita in Mauryan period means option A goddess, option B a religious sect, option C revenue from crown land, option D barren land. Correct answer is option C revenue from crown land. During the Mauryan administration, the state directly controlled certain lands and the income derived from these lands was referred to as Sita. Next question. India's first hospital and herbal gardens were built by option A. Ashoka, option B. Chandragupta Maurya, option C. Lord Mahavir, option D. Dhanvantari. Correct answer is option A. Ashoka. Ashoka, a renowned Mauryan emperor, is known for his patronage of Buddhism and promotion of healthcare initiatives, including the establishment of hospitals and herbal gardens throughout his empire. Next question. Kautilya's Ardhashastra is a book on option A. Economic relations, option B. Principles and practice of statecraft, option C. Foreign policy, option D. Wealth accumulation. Correct answer is option B. Principles and practice of statecraft. It is a comprehensive treatise on governance encompassing various aspects of administration, economic policy, military strategy, and diplomacy, while it touches upon economic relations and wealth accumulation. Next question. Which one of the following is the seventh part of the state according to Saptang theory of state? Option A. Janapada. Option B. Durga. Option C. Mitra. Option D. Kosha. Correct answer is option C. Mitra. The seventh part of the state according to the Saptang theory is Mitra. Next question. With reference to the cultural history of India, the memorizing of chronicles, dynastic histories, and epic tales was the professions of who of the following? Option A. Shramana. Option B. Parivraj. Option C. Agraharika. Option D. Magadha. Correct answer is option D. Magadha. Memorizing of chronicles, dynastic historics, or epic tales was the work of a different group of people, the Sutas and Magadhas, who were the descendants of priestly families of the Vedic period. Next question. The lake in Gujarat was an artificial reservoir built during the rule of the Mauryas. Option A. Lonar. Option B. Loktak. Option C. Sudarshan. Option D. Pushkar. Correct answer is option C. Sudarshan. The Sudarshana lake in Gujarat was an artificial reservoir built during the Mauryan period. Next question. Which of the following inscriptions gives to Ashwamedha the information about yajanas performed by the king Pushyamitra Shunga? Option A. Sarnath inscription. Option B. Besnagar inscription. Option C. Ayodhya inscription. Option D. Hatigumpa inscription. Correct answer is option C. Ayodhya inscription. The Ayodhya inscription mentions Pushyamitra Shunga performing two Ashwamedha sacrifices, making it the only inscription providing this information about the king's Vedic rituals. Next question. Which one of the rulers issued lead coins? Option A. Strato 2. Option B. Strato 1. Option C. Demetrius. Option D. Menander. Correct answer is option A. Strato 2. According to historical records, Strato 2 is the Indo-Greek ruler specifically known for issuing lead coins denoted by the common type of Apollo tripod design. Thank you friends. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to GK Bit Bank channel. Thank you.